May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here.
Y'all act like I never seen a white person before. Jaws on the floor like damn, like Tommy just burst the doors. Started whipping the rats worse than before. Their first many walls thrown over furniture. It's the return of the wait, no wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said nothing. Idiots, Dr. Dre's dead. He's locked in my basement. Living this women love Eminem. Kick it, Slim Shady. I'm sick of him. Look at him walking around, repping his you know what, flipping it you know who. Yeah, but he's so cute though. Yeah, probably got a couple of screws up in my head loose, but no words to what's going on in your parents' bedroom. Sometimes I wanna get on TV and just let loose, but can't. But it's cool for Tom Green to hop with that move. My mom is on your lips, my mom is on your lips. And if I'm lucky, you might just give it a little kiss. And that's the message that we deliver to little kids, and expect them not to know what a woman's clitoris is. Of course they gonna know what intercourse is. By the time they hit 4th grade, they got the Discovery Channel, don't they? We ain't nothing but mammals. Well, some of us cannibals who cut other people open like cantaloupes. But if we can up the animals and antelopes, then there's a reason that a man and another man can elope. But if you feel like I feel, I got the antidote. Women with your pantyhose, bring the chorus and the chorus. I'm Slim Shady, as I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just in my titties. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, as I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just in my titties. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Will Smith, I better cuss in his raps to sell records. What I do, so fuck him and fuck you too. You think I give a damn about a Grammy? Half of you critics can't even stomach me, let alone stand me. But then, what if you win? Wouldn't it be weird? Why? So you guys can just lie to get me here, so you can sit me here next to Britney Spears. Oh, shit, Christina Aguilera, better switch me chairs so I can sit next to Carson Daly and Fred Durst and hear 'em argue over who she gave that to first. Little bitch put me on blast on MTV. He is cute, but I think he's married to Kim. I should download her audio on MP3 and show the whole world how you get famous every day. I'm sick of it, girl and boy groups. All you do is annoy me, so I have been sent here to destroy you. And there's a million of us just like me, who cuss like me, who just don't give a fuck like me, who dress like me, walk, talk, and act like me, who just might be the next best thing, but not quite me. Cause I'm Slim Shady, as I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just in my titties. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, as I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just in my titties. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. I'm like a head trip to listen to, cause I'm only giving you things to joke about with your friends inside your living room. The only difference is I got the balls to say it in front of y'all, and I don't gotta be false to sugarcoat it at all. I just get on the mic and spit it, whether you like to admit it, but I just shit it better than 90% of you rappers out, kids. Then you wonder how can kids see out these albums like values? It's funny, cause at the rate I'm going when I'm 30, I'll be the only person in a nursing home flirting. Pinching nurses' asses when I'm jacking over jerkins, and I'm jerking by this whole back of accolades and working. And every single person that's a Slim Shady lurking, or could be working in Burger King, spinning on your onion rings. We're in the parking lot, circling, screaming, I don't give a fuck with the spinners down and it's just them up. So when the real Shady, please stand up and put one of those fingers on each stand up and be proud to be out of your mind and out of control. And one more time, loud as you can. Cause I'm Slim Shady, as I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just in my titties. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, as I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just in my titties. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, as I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just in my titties. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, as I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just in my titties. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up.